This it? Okay. I just added a shot of my lion's mane to this and now it's so nasty. I did not mean to do that. But yeah, I'm still trying to perfect my coffee. This one is not good, but I was making them really good. So we're gonna have to reformulate whatever this is because they're right here nasty. But I do have this cold foam that I wanna add on top. Now it is not morning. We are having a late start to this vlog. I got my day started, but I'm still trying to like come up with a good daily vlog schedule. But anyway, so yeah, I'm probably gonna be in bed today editing until the lights come, and then we're gonna do the closet, and I might film a TikTok of me doing the closet because why not? It's super simple, super easy. So I figured that'd be super cute. Wait, why isn't, I'm like, why isn't my thing charged up? Ugh, bro. I got all these cords. I need a better system. I need a better extension cord over here. I might change this extension cord out. My nightstand is like a little messy. We got some, I've been snacking. I got these little Activia Gut Support Health Probiotic daily little things. I can pop these like it's nothing. It says to drink 2 a day. And I'd be so excited to drink the other one. I just drank this one. Oh, and this is a fruit gusher. Don't judge me. We're cleaning the gut and bringing more bullshit. It's lunchtime. I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna make some slaw dogs. I wanna do like a chopped up bell pepper. I just bought some. Okay. And I wanna do some onions. I wanna saute. So we're gonna do like a slaw dog with grilled onions and bell pepper. Anything else? I'll need ketchup and mustard later. Cool. Spicy.
준비했어 all night for ya. 새벽부터 my vibes for you. 머리부터 발끝까지 got it all right for you. 급하게 서두를 필요는 없어.
They finally came, y'all. I got the lights. I'm about to see how it's gonna look, and then we're gonna apply. This is what it comes with. It comes with 2 rolls. So I'm excited. Well, there. So I tried to put those same lights down here in the kitchen because I was like, okay, if it's going under the cabinet, maybe it'll look better. And y'all, I hate it. I mean, clearly I haven't like put it on, but you know, these aren't the ones you can cut. So I hate that it's lighting up on the side. Like I don't want it to look like that. I just want the subtle underneath and the subtle under the cabin. Like, I don't know. I just want a little bit. So I'm gonna get a shorter one and then just use it to plug it up like that. But I just realized I'm gonna have to get a lot of small, different ones for the kitchen. So I might not even play with that. And I'm remodeling later this year anyway, because y'all know the holes in my ceiling. I don't know if I told y'all. Yes, I did. Y'all know. Yes, I do. Anyway, yeah, I gotta patch these holes up from when there was like water just flooding in my kitchen. So yeah, this is gonna be a no for me. So I'm gonna wrap this back up and return it tomorrow. Hello, you guys. It is, what today is? Oh, I don't even know what today is, y'all. The 16th. Today is Wednesday, the 16th, you guys. And I'm about to go to lunch with DJ. I'm excited. He was like, I need to catch up. We need to catch up. 2 waffles with chicken in the middle, like a sandwich.
It's like a sandwich. Yeah, it's so good. That's like their more popular thing. And I would get it, but you know, trying to slim down. Tortilla, but they put it in French toast batter, and then they put eggs and bacon, and they like fold it up like a taco.
Wow. Oh, that sounds delicious. I've never had nothing like that. Now that I'm outside, I like want to still be outside so bad. I'm like, oh, should we go shopping? But I gotta come home and edit for you guys. But I kind of think I want to go somewhere else before I go home. I bought these lights like I want to say a year ago, and I meant to take them back to Amazon. I never took them back, but this is what they look like. Today I was just like, you know what, let me see how these work. And they work really good. I just put them on this side. Look how good this looks. Now it comes with a remote, so I might definitely change like the temperature and stuff. This is the remote. Come on, grab. This is the remote that it comes with. They have these little tab things that don't have any lights on them that you can use to connect it to the bottom. You see where I ended it over here, and then it's like going up there to connect to the top, so you don't see lights on that side, so it gives it more of the professional just under the cabinet look. I have a few more boxes, so I'm thinking, well, should we do this side or should we do this side? This side will take up mostly, I guess, all of it. I should have did the island. I don't know. Let's do this side. I need to do some real serious pantry cleaning and mopping and sweeping in this kitchen. Yeah, I've been slacking. I need to plug this in somewhere, so I need to go from the plug and work my way down. Took a little minute, but they're on. Don't mind my nails. This hand is completely broken. These are still intact. So I'm not actually on the microwave. I am, but I'm on the very back of the microwave. These are all separate, so the I have to take the tape off within those separated pieces. You see that? Oh, this gonna be the right amount. I feel like that's enough, because if I keep going. that enough? That's definitely enough. Okay. And now we just gotta do this bottom row. I just added the lights down here and I was gonna wrap it around here, like the little, this little plastic stuff, because I don't want lights on the outside. And I was gonna just go ahead and just put it like at the very bottom. You really wasn't gonna see it, but see this little slither in between this and the actual wood. So there's a little bit of space for me to push my, to push this through. So I need to try to see if I can push through. It's a long way to push through though. It's a long way. So what I was thinking, friend, is that we could take like a chopstick maybe and push it through with that. I got a little bit of tape. This is just like a regular paper tape, so it's not too sticky. And I'm thinking I'm just gonna wrap it here and I'm gonna tape it. Go around there like that. And then, girl, that's how I be doing at home, friend. I just be doing stuff, but like, I think this is gonna work. Now I'm gonna need something to push that. Ooh, I told y'all we was gonna get it through. Oh, is that a spider? Oh, wait. It's ripped. Jeez Louise. Oh, gosh. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Yay. Yay, yay. You know what? I'm probably gonna keep that there. Let me see. I'll tape this up here, by the way, y'all. I had to get that out the way because I had some caulk. That's why I wasn't pushing through, because it had caulk on this side. But they didn't caulk the other side. Uh-huh. I went ahead and extended it a little bit more because I want it to kind of go up that way. I push my caulking back in so you can't even see it. Like, it's just like, what? I'm an electrician. I'm gonna take the rest of my lights. This is the moment of truth to see if all of my hard work pays off. It is. It's working. It's working. It's working. Super simple. This was so simple. Y'all know we are trying to find polyester free clothing because my skin is, girl, acting up. And they had a lot of cotton stuff at Gap. And a lot of people were telling me, girl, go to Gap, go to Gap, go to Gap. I went to Gap. And I still got another package. I think one more item. But let's go. I forgot what I got, to be honest with you. I'm obsessed with the pants. The pants look so doggone good. I did not expect them to look this good, but I'm envisioning so many different types of outfits. Like, look how they look. They look real good. Yeah, it has this like little pleating. I love the pleating, like right here. Look at that. Look at the pleating, y'all. It just looks so good. And look how the stripes just kind of go out like that. The button down's basic. Okay, it's a basic button down, so it's definitely not gonna be doing much. But I know how I'm gonna be wearing this shirt. It's not gonna look anything like this. I'm just super happy to have it. Let me try on the blue one though. Okay, this is the bra. I'm definitely gonna get more of these bras. I really like it. I need to do something to my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've just been in more work mode and editing and stuff that I just haven't cared. I've just been wearing a hat for the last few days. Okay, nah, because the whole fit is eating. This whole entire fit eats. It's so cute. And I got the blue socks. I just knew. Susie, you like my fit? You like my outfit, honey? I like it. You like it? Thank you. Thanks, girl. I want to put these lights around that mirror. I just moved that mirror right there. I feel like that mirror would be good because I want to take some like pictures with more so my kitchen and my living room in the background. So I feel like that might be a good little rendezvous. It works. It's too cool tone. It's too, everything else in here is warm toned. What should I say? I don't know, friend. I feel like I should get another one. I should get one that's like that color. I went and got another mirror. I have so many of these IKEA mirrors and like different lights on them. They're not heavy, but this one has a light on it, but it has a warmer light. So I'm thinking I could put that one over there for now. But I don't know, we're gonna see. Oopsie. This is not gonna work. I have this one from Amazon.